Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I post, and make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Let's get into this video. Today we're just gonna be doing how I refresh my curls and whatever style I choose to do. It might be this style, but we're gonna see at the end with the finished product, and the title will most likely say it. And yeah, let's get into this video. I'll start. I don't like to wet all my hair, so I steal my sister's water bottle because I don't have my own spray bottle, so I use hers. And we're just gonna open it back up, and it's a regular, regular, smuggler water bottle. Okay, so once I get my water bottle, let me just show y'all how my hair looked before. Ooh, thumbnail. Okay, we're gonna twist that all the way back on. And we're just gonna spray. And not a lot of water come out, so I'm be spraying for a minute, just to get my hair as wet as I want it to manage it. Scrunchy, ponytail tie. What do y'all call these? I used to call them ponytail holders, but I call the cheap ones ponytail holders now. Continue to spray. Okay, now that that's done, yeah, your hair should be like semi-damp. And what I do is I take, hold on. So I don't follow directions. This is what I do. I take some of my Aunt Jackie's In Control conditioner. Yes, okay, get into that. And then I'll take some of the deep conditioner, because this would really work the magic. And I steal whatever conditioner my sister has in the bathroom. At the moment, she has this. Usually she has Pantene, but I don't know where it's at. So what I do is I just take a little bit of everything at a time, you know, and just work it through my hair. Y'all, I do have a little heat damage up there, but that's okay. So just make sure I get it through everything. Take a, y'all, I hate digging into like hair stuff with my nails, because it be getting all stuck up under my nails and just like, just irritates. And yeah, so we're gonna get this deep conditioner in there. Yes, I leave conditioner in my hair all the time. Lastly, I take the other blue conditioner. I rub that in too. But like I was saying, I put conditioner not every day, but the days that I do my hair, the only thing that go in my hair is conditioner and water, and a brush go through it. My little brush, and I just brush through it. Just scratch. And then I'll brush it through. Not. Do it however long you want, till you're satisfied with the curls that you see. We're gonna scratch. I wish I had a diffuser so it could be like so easy to just be like, yeah, scratch. Okay, so now that is how I like it. I just go through. Okay, now that that's done and I look like a wet dog, we're gonna get the hard brush and we're gonna get to brushing. Brushing in the style that you want. So, because I want a half up, half down, I don't part my hair because I can't see it, so we're gonna finger part. You know how to finger part. I hope you do. If you don't, ask your mama. Anyways. You're gonna get it to where you want it and make sure you can see what you want to see. Sometimes I usually like get it to go like that. Yeah, I don't like for my yeah, I like it for it to be like right there by my ear. You can see it going up. Or I don't like a lot of hair down, but I kinda do, but I kinda don't. Anyways, let's try to open this. Okay, so this is how I get my edge control and I have nails on. I take the back, or like, okay, so I dip my finger in it and I bring it backwards. So it'll be on the back of my nail. And then boom. And then I just take it and spread it all over because I don't. Everybody be asking, how you get your hair like that? Baby, water and all these conditioners, that's it. And yeah, we're just gonna keep brushing till I get it as sleek as I want. And make sure you leave the parts that was already down. So now that I got it as slick as I want, I like to use these because they don't take out my hair. And I want the black one because, okay. And you want to make sure, I don't like having humps in my hair nowhere. So I just keep brushing to like, and putting edge control in until it doesn't do that no more. Whoops. Cause yeah, it was still doing it. Alright, and this is how it should look. All the time where I pull up another piece, I'll just pull it back down and boom. Just keep pulling through. I like my ponytails to be tight. And bam. So now you probably like kind of. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water right there though, cause what the heck is that? Alright, there we go. Scrunching and water. And boom. So what I do next is I lost my edge brush. So we're gonna steal my sister's. And just a regular edge brush, you know, the one with all the hair clumped up in it with the, yeah, one of them. So I take the back and y'all can see all my edge control still stuck on there. Maybe you can't, but it's there. So I take the back and I put it on my finger and I put it where I do my edges. Sometimes I brush my edges as far as I can out. Sometimes they pull hair, but who cares, like them bitches. And this is how I do it. So we're gonna swoop that bit. Ooh, swoop that bit. Swoop, and we're gonna lay that bit. Ooh, lay that bit. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do it. I put a little in the corner and I just sleep. Ooh. And boom. One side done. So the other side, I already put some stuff on there, but I still gotta, like, this side, I don't know about y'all, but on one side of my hair, I have more edges than the other. So we're gonna do that. Y'all probably like, she look retarded. I'm left-handed. Alright, so now that is sluck up. Is it slucked up or is it like slicked up? Is slicked even a word? Anyways, and it's done. Boom. So we're gonna make sure we get all the little false hairs aligned. You want it to look spiffy. So we're gonna brush all them up because they was not where they were supposed to be, first of all. Yeah. And we still gonna take a little bit more to do this side right chill. And we're gonna boom. Boom. And boom. And we're gonna take the excess because I still got some left on my hand. Take the excess. And just boom. Now you look like a bad natural girl. We ain't gonna say you. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment. And yes, hit me up for more videos or put down below what else you guys want to see from me.